Hi guys, how are you? I am just a little late. My computer decided it doesn't want to work for me. Hopefully it's just the weather outside and I don't have any other issues. So I just wanted to say happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a good week. Tomorrow is September 15th, which if you don't know, that means that any corporate tax returns that extensions were filed for the 2021 tax year are due tomorrow. So if you have filed an extension, tomorrow will be a great day because you won't have to worry about your 2021 taxes anymore because hopefully they will be filed. If you did file an extension and have been stressing this and you're like, I can't believe I'm in September of 2022 looking into 2023 and I'm still worried about my 21 taxes. I have a couple tips for you and also for everyone else who is a business owner on how to start taking action now to be prepared for your 2022 tax season. And that way you're not stressing about being stuck in this situation or about the deadline for April 15th, and you'll be prepared. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Jayce I am owner and accountant of Hooked Accounting Services, and I've been in the accounting field for 5 years now. And I opened my business this year to help business owners stay compliant, keep up with their bookkeeping, and also to help them understand their numbers so that we can together increase your profits. Because we all want to make money, that's why we're in business, right? So those are my goals to help everyone, and I just wanted to give you 5 quick tips on how to take action now to be prepared for the 2022 tax season, because the end of the year is near. We are 3.5 months away from the end of 2022. So the first thing to do is to gather all of your documents for the last 8 months of 2022 and have them all together. That's bank statements, credit card statements, loan statements, big purchase receipts. If you did open a loan, your original loan statements that show your payments, the date and the original amount of your loan, along with your terms and your interest rate. That initial paperwork for your loan is important so we can make sure and get that booked properly on your books so that you can take credit for interest that you're paying and make sure that's tax deducted for you. The second step is if you don't have a bookkeeper or accountant, find one now. The beginning of the year is the craziest time for the accounting industry, with getting books up to date, filing tax returns. If they file payroll, I work a lot with payroll, so that's the time to get out the W-2s to everyone. If you have subcontractors that are 1099s, that's a very important time for that. So on that note, if you have 1099 contractors, make sure they have a W-9 filled out. That way we can file those 1099s to keep both you and them out of tax trouble. So find a bookkeeper or accountant now before the busy season hits. That way you can start building your rapport. They can take some time getting to know you and your business and figuring things out when it's a little quieter and not so chaotic and crazy. The third thing to do is to start making estimated tax payments. If you have an accountant, you can present them with your financials so far this year. If you don't have them together, that bookkeeper can help you now to get those prepared so that you can go to your accountant before the end of the year and start making tax payments a little at a time instead of one big lump sum come April 15th. Well, corporates is March 15th, so even less time. So let's go ahead and get started, start making those estimated tax payments so you're a little ahead of the game. The next thing to do is if you're on payroll, if you receive a W-2 through your business, instead of making so much in estimated tax payments, a great way to pay in your taxes is through your federal withholding of your payroll. You can increase your salary a little bit and your CPA will be able to help you adjust your payroll to reflect a higher federal withholding. This helps decrease the tax liability you have personally if you have an S corporation or a sole proprietorship. And then finally, if you have any opportunities for investments with your business, if you've had a great year, your profits are high, this may be a good time to evaluate and see if you can make any investments. Buy a large piece of equipment, hire an extra employee before you start the new year. That way, when you go into 2023, you're prepared. You'll have a great year. You'll increase your profits because you were able to do some investment, which you've been working so hard to do. You may also find that you can take a bonus for yourself through the payroll or a large distribution to yourself at the end of the year, which would be nice. Maybe you can go on a holiday vacation with your family. So these are all things that will help you prepare for the 2022 tax season. It'll also get you in a great shape to start the 2023 year off right, be more profitable in the new year, and see how your business can grow and aspire. So just to recap, get all of your documents together now for the last 8 months. Find a bookkeeper or accountant now so they can get you caught up and help you prepare for the new year and the end of this year. Make sure you're making in your estimated tax deposits now by possibly increasing your federal withholding, and see if there's any investments you can make. Or you can learn if there's maybe a big bonus or distribution you can give to yourself and or your employees. So I hope this helps. If you guys do need a bookkeeper, I am currently accepting new clients at Hooked Accounting Services. So drop me a message or put next steps in the comments below, and I'll reach out to you and we'll get something set up to see if you qualify to be a part of my program. And I would love to help you get prepared and to stay compliant. If you have any other questions, you can also drop a message to me as well, and I'll be happy to see how I can help you with those questions. And I'm just always here as a resource for you. So I hope these tips were helpful. I hope you start taking the actions now so that you can enjoy the end of the year and have a great next year. So I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope everyone has a great week. I don't see any questions in the comments. So with that, I will let you guys get on with your day, and I will see you this time next week. Bye.